Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what the bone dog does in Grow a Garden. So basically, every 76 seconds, it has a 15% chance to dig up a random seed, and it can dig up a seed exclusive to the bone dog, which I think is pretty neat. Maybe it can dig up like some of the Halloween seeds that are harder to get by. I don't know, we'll see. I think I want to pick up my sea otter. I'm just going to place this and hopefully we get an exclusive seed. So that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.